People are expected to pick up medical cannabis from dispensaries in Illinois. One shop already plans an expansion. Illinois is seeing almost an 80% jump in patients qualifying for the medical cannabis pilot program. Records from the Illinois Department of Public Health show about 40,000 people have been accepted. There were 21,000 the year before. Local 4 Sean Logging joins us live in the newsroom with the growth local dispensaries are seeing. Sean?
Jim, this year's progress report shows more than 20,000 people applied for the medical cannabis ID card for the fiscal year 2018. That's between July 1st, 2017 and June 30th this year. Of those, more than 18,000 were accepted and about 1,100 were denied. Those who manage area shops tell me they're anticipating those types of numbers to continue as the program expands and eases restrictions.
We are going to be expanding our facility here first quarter of next year.
Ron Glassner with Nature's Treatment of Illinois in Milan tells Local 4 News after nearly 3 years in business, the demand is starting to outgrow their office space.
Some times during the day when people are out the door waiting to get in.
But when new rules are finalized and go into effect late this year or early next for the Alternatives to Opioids Act, signed in August by Governor Bruce Rauner,
which will allow doctors to give a prescription to a patient to use medical cannabis in lieu of opioids.
That's when NTI is expecting to surpass their square footage.
We think that will quite possibly double the number of patients that we see.
It comes on the heels of another good year for dispensaries as they see the pilot program grow.
With the added conditions to the program, I think it really helped. I think more physicians are starting to become comfortable recommending for the program as well.
Last year, the big addition was post-traumatic stress disorder, joining the list of about 40 debilitating conditions, and that was the most common diagnosis of new applicants.
We see 10 to 15 probably prevalent ones. PTSD, obviously, I think is probably the largest. Cancer, obviously, fibromyalgia.
But the Opioids Act is already having another impact that keeps the number of patients growing.
It removed the fingerprint and felony restrictions. With that being said, it really opened up the program for a lot more people.
Of applications denied last year, the fingerprint and background check was one of the main reasons. The dispensary in Fulton, Illinois tells me they have about 700 patients. Nature's Treatment of Illinois in Milan tells me they just passed 900. In the newsroom, Sean Logging, Local 4 News.
Sean, thank you. Illinois State Public Health offices actually tell Local 4 News sales of medical cannabis surpassed $185 million through June of this year. That is since sales started in November of 2015.